To get started with Azure Synapse Git integration, follow these steps. First, create a Git repository in Azure DevOps or GitHub and link it to your Azure Synapse workspace. This will allow you to manage and version control your Synapse artifacts. Next, set up authentication between Azure Synapse and your Git repository using a personal access token or service principal. This will enable you to push and pull changes between your local environment and the Git repository. Best practices for Azure Synapse Git integration include using a collaborative development environment where multiple developers can work together on the same Synapse workspace. Use Git branches to manage different versions of your Synapse artifacts and to test changes before deploying them to production. Use Git commit messages to track changes and updates made to your Synapse artifacts and push changes regularly to the Git repository to ensure that all team members have access to the latest version of the artifacts. Use Azure Synapse Git integration to automate deployment of Synapse artifacts to different environments such as development, testing, and production. This can be achieved by using Azure pipelines or GitHub Actions to automate the deployment process. It is also important to manage permissions and access control to the Git repository to ensure that only authorized team members can make changes to the Synapse artifacts. Finally, use Azure Synapse Git integration to track and manage changes to your Synapse workspace. Over time, this will enable you to track who made changes when and why, and to revert back to a previous version if something goes wrong. By following these best practices, you can effectively manage and version control your Azure Synapse artifacts and improve collaboration and productivity within your team.